Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm do events decor. But 3 months ago, I'm start a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. I'm a flip furniture mom. Today's video I'm going to flip a French provincial dresser. I'm looking for a while for a French provincial dresser. I have plans for this dresser, but I changed my plans because I has a customer and contact me and ask me if I have a French provincial dresser. I says yes, and she wants this in white. French provincial style is very popular at this time. I need you waiting for another piece comes on it for I use my plans on the next piece. Today's video is another custom commission piece. Let's go to start. And I got this nightstand and dresser in the Facebook Marketplace for $40. It's in a good shape. The nightstand is Presley wood. The back is off, need to fix at the back. The dresser is solid wood. Was already painted, has too many layers of paint on it. I'm going to strip the top and stain, but it's in a great shape. Solid wood. First, I'm going to take out the hardware for make a good cleaning and do all my fixes. I like to do my fixes before I'm cleaning. I'm going to strip the top. It's my first time, I never did this before. Let's go to see how this comes out. And now I'm going to clean up with mineral spirits to stop the stripper. After cleaning with mineral spirits, need waiting to dry. I'm waiting 3 hours before I'm start to sand. I want to tell to all my followers, can you buy a coffee? That will be a great support to my channel and help my channel grow. I really appreciate. Let's go talk about the numbers. I bought this dresser and nightstand on a Facebook marketplace for $40. I spent on the strip, stain and paint about $25. I sold that for $450. I make a profit $385. $385 goes straight to my daughter's university tuition. If you enjoy the contents like this, don't forget next week, next Thursday, another video, another cool one. If you enjoy my video, please like, share and subscribe on my channel. See you on next one. Bye!